Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I need help, people. First of all, I want to say one thing. I absolutely love this little kitty cat that was sent to me, and I don't know who sent it. It's the cutest thing, and I really, really love it. It's so cute, and I really, this is something if I'd had this years ago, I would have protected it. It's the cutest thing for holding notepads I've ever seen, and I really appreciate getting it. All right, now I'm going to show you. This is it, and my quarters, which I have to turn to the bank. I've got to pay my internet bill. I've only got about half an hour of time, but I have run out of money. I paid my electric bill. I paid the rent. I paid my 3 credit card payments, including my Amazon store card. And I bought a present for Kathy. I bought cleaning supplies. I bought food. I bought cat food. I bought dry food. I bought wet food. But there are times I completely run out of money, and this is the time. Now, this internet will be cut off. I have $41 in the bank. This is $12. I'm going to take my quarters. This is my laundry money, which means I can't wash any clothes. I do have enough food to eat. I'm going out to the store. It's been absolutely freezing here. Winds are really super cold. It's going to be 39 tonight. And it's cold where Kathy is, too. I talked to her. She's got her present for me. I'm getting hers for her. But I've run out of money, and I need help with about 30, maybe 35 bucks to go to UFO Con. I will not have the money to get there. This doesn't happen very often. I'm much better at it than I was. The first thing I do is pay the bills first. But I did one thing that was nice, and in retrospect, I shouldn't. It was ungodly expensive. I took Patty lunch, and it was $28, and that's the shortfall. So I'm trying to get caught up on everything. I'm trying to work toward getting Kathy and Patty a newer car. Still trying to work to get Kathy her $362 back. Haven't managed to do that yet. Other things getting in the way. So if you people could send me like 35, I won't have no money for food to go to UFO Con, but I need money to get there on BART and the bus. And the camera is here, and I found the SD card. It was jammed in there, but it does work. So, and it would be really nice if I had an iPad, but I can't do anything about that. So until I can get it repaired or buy a new one. And, the other thing, I had paying out the $64 to the coin dealer interest also put a big dent in my money. So I would appreciate if any of you could send money to PayPal and falky2013@gmail.com so I can go to UFO Con, see George Norrie, film the event 5 minutes at a time. I tried to charge the $29 to increase the amount of time I can use in the camera, and it would not work. They tried it repeatedly. I don't know why. So I'll try that on the 28th. I get money again on the 28th. And so that's what's happening. Cats are fine. I'm fine. I have enough dry food for all the kitties, and I'm not sure if I have to order more wet food or not, but I can do that on my Amazon card. I made a $40 payment, so I should be able to make enough cat food for that. So if you can, please donate money to the channel, and to Jay, keep sending me these plastic cats. Please stop. I have enough stuff in here to put away or find a home for. I don't need any more little tiny things. I tried to tape the cats to the top of the Mac, and that didn't work. And I hate to see someone spending money on me for things that are, here's the tape, and they both fell on the floor. So, and I've got to go out and mail Zoa's package. I've got enough stamps for that. So here's my stamps. So I got to hurry this up before I run out of time. They give you a free hour. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. If you can help me, I would appreciate it. I'm going to go down to UFO Con, if I can get there, on Friday and somehow hang around till Saturday and go home Saturday afternoon. And I'll film what I can. But this is one big reason why I miss the iPad desperately. I can film something with my phone, but it's really hard to get it the hell off the phone because it's an AVI. And I have to do very short videos. The only way to get them out of the phone I've been able to figure out is use email. And Gmail won't let you do long videos in email anymore. So it's a real pain in the ass. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay warm and dry. At 7 this morning when I woke up, it was absolutely freezing outside and howling winds again. And it's going to be 39 tonight, 38 tomorrow night. Kathy's cold too. Donate if you can, please. I could use the help. I will do short 5-minute videos at UFO Con. I bought a tripod, and that's more money. And I bought a new SD card just to go to Alien Con, just so I can film something of the event. So that's where the other money went to. Full disclosure, time here. So that's another reason I'm short of money. All right, bye-bye.